Hello, welcome to It All Started with Tarot. How are you guys doing today? Hope all is well. Alright, let's get into it. We're going to start this message off from Kipper. Using Kipper. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, first card we have is change. There's going to be some change here, okay? Some kind of change. Alright. There's change. There's some change, some movement, some relocation. Somebody to be unstable in their family room. A location in somebody's family room has become unstable. Argument, fight could have broke out. Stuff could have been broken everywhere. Or it's just, we're going to discuss about what's coming out in this family room. Okay, so the first thing we have is change. This is an ending here. What's changed is that there was no message of concern, or there is no message of concern. There will be no message of concern when it comes to some kind of imprisonment. Somebody's not able to relocate or move forward. Somebody's going to jail and they're not going to be able to move forward. Or when it comes to this imprisonment, you're not moving forward. They're not moving forward. Somebody's coming out of poverty and they are not going to be concerned about somebody or someone in bad health that may be locked up. They received the news that they're not moving forward. They did not think this woman, there's no longer thinking this woman as a thief. Yet it could be an immature, mature man that is a thief, who has now lost their occupation and is no longer considered to be a wealthy man. So somebody got caught stealing on the job. Somebody wanted to win all calls. Somebody wanted to be arrogant. Somebody wanted to get a victory by any means necessary. So what we're about to talk about is what's come out in the family. So this secret, so whatever they was talking about in the family room when they came out, it could have been a fight. It could have been a physical fight. Somebody wanted to be seen as a leader or the leader of a situation, and now everybody's trying not to this person's mind because they wanted to be a wealthy man. That's a sign, though. That could be somebody. But when it comes to this change, And that's this change, this movement or this action on the movement to a new house. It could be somebody that's coming out of poverty, could have been a thief, okay, in order for them to move into a new house and come out of poverty, this person had to steal something, take something, or help somebody steal something from a wealthy man. This person was stealing from somebody's organization. This is somebody stealing from somebody's platform, somebody's bank, somebody's place of residency. Whatever this is, this person got money that they were stealing from. And whoever they were stealing from, they had no remorse. This person's in deep SHIT, according to whoever they were stealing from. It's causing them bad health. Could have been an mature man. But this man is the business owner, could have found out there was some corruption going on in the institution. And they're about to send these people to jail. They could be ready to send these people to jail from stealing from their institution. Yeah. Whatever this person was doing, they was making some good money. They were making good money at one time, but now that this business owner knows that somebody was stealing from them, this person, whatever image, whatever reputation, whatever money they was getting, they ain't getting that money no more. This person is no longer going to be seen as a wealthy man in the community. They're not able to move forward. They're no longer thinking about money because they are now in power. Somebody lost their business, somebody lost their job, somebody got caught stealing. Because they wanted to be arrogant, or they wanted to be seen as something or someone. And it was out here like taunting people. They can say this person was showing off. Right. Somebody got lost. That's what I'm getting. Let's see. What else? Okay, this person was attacking people on the job. Whoever this person is, okay, this person was attacking people on the job, and when it comes to this person having to relocate, now that this is over, they having to move out. What? Because they was out here attacking people on their job. Delaying notification, delaying messages. This people was attacking people in a community that was there to support and help each other. I don't think they told anybody yet. They trying to get a hold on this or control of this situation before this comes out. Whatever this is that they loved or people had love for is being poured out. It also gave him pleasure to pour out the love for other people's business. So as this person is attacking people's businesses, from talking or being talked to. When it comes to the web, they had the love poured out for this platform by telling a lot of lies on this individual so that they could get paid. They could have paid different people, no? Alright, hold on. This person had the power to stop people from talking, or was trying to control somebody to stop somebody from talking, by having the love or pouring the love out for whoever it is that they was trying to control. They were stopping people from leaving comments on somebody's channel, somebody's page, somebody's post, by delaying or deleting the message. But they're not able to get in your head, that you're not receiving love, or the love is unrequited when it comes to a business owner. This King of Cups was celebrating this, but you're not in conflict about it. Eventually, you're going to have to let it go, because you're going to go to jail. You're stealing from this company. When you stealing from this company, it's illegal. You're going to get caught and you're going to go to jail. That judgment is final. What you're doing is illegal, and you're not even getting a reaction. They're not even getting a reaction out of the person. So they're basically accumulating time. As long as this person continues to do what they're doing behind the scenes and is being ignored, they're just getting more time, because eventually the day you get caught is the day you're going to get persecuted. This is going to become a burden for you. This is going to be a burden that you're going to be in jail. And people, you're going to have to walk away from this, and you're going to be so embarrassed. And this person's going to just be sitting here chilling and calm, emotionally stable, happy, and balanced. And you're going to be heartbroken. All the heartbreak that you was trying to cause for somebody else is the heartbreak you're going to give to you, because whoever you're doing this to is not fazing them. Because the excitement is that this is going to phase you, because you're going to be the one in jail. And matter of fact, you already prophesied this. You already been in jail. You're not in a relationship, so you're not going to be out. You're not going to be in a relationship. it's coming right back to you. Whatever you wish for other people, it's going to happen to you. Your public humiliation is going to be worse than what you're doing right now. If you out here, if somebody's out here attacking this platform and anybody on the platform, when it finally comes out, your public humiliation, your fall from grace is going to be worse than what you're doing right now. It's not even going to matter. You're going to be so regretting that you did it. You're going to wish you never did. All you're going to be is a bunch of woulda, shoulda, and couldas. When you really shoulda, coulda avoided it, but you're not. You were so adamant on stopping somebody from getting some kind of recognition, slandering somebody's name. That's going to be put to rest. You're not getting this victory. You're going to be sitting there stuck with no job and no money, no stability, just a bad reputation because of you obsessed and mad that something is over. And that's the truth. Because of a practitioner, you done went and got some magic and all that's coming back to stop somebody from moving forward because they didn't want to go in a partnership. So you went out here and being impulsive and reckless when it comes to somebody's page, somebody's post, somebody's channel, somebody's camera. You already know that this person is stable as a Queen of Pentacles, as a boss, or has a business of their own. They not budging and you mad. Because they are Hierophant, they are a healer. This is what they're supposed to do. You was trying to block this person's path, take this person's spot. Right? And you went to the same sentence. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde or some shit. And you're not getting justice when it comes to blocking this person. You're holding on for dear life. And it's causing you mental anxiety by hiding what you've been left out. Stop doing it. You're going to feel so isolated, so alone. Everything you wanted for somebody else is going to happen to you. It's going to be so embarrassing. All that shit you used to talk to your family, to your friends. OMG. This is going to be the fall of all centuries, bro. People is going to crack. You don't want to do this. You don't want to go down like that, do you? It ain't worth it. Because what you got coming, it might be bad for a little while, but you know what I mean? Like, but the fact that you Let me see. Is this person gonna be able to come back from this? Nope. Your reputation gonna be destroyed. You're not gonna be seen as a leader. People ain't gonna want their family members to check you out or check on you or, see what's up with you. People gonna come in there and talk shit to you, gaslight you. For other people, and you just gonna be sitting there watching. And people might just beat your ass for no reason, cause you ain't gonna have that power you had before. Somebody gonna come beat your ass that you may never didn't get. You just gonna run into people. You may have people But people still say ain't nobody gonna really want to rock with you. Ain't nobody gonna really rock with you like that. But whatever you had going on, they easily gonna take you. Whatever opportunity you had, they gonna find somebody else to do. Your whole spot about to be taken. I save myself the stress. That's what you need to do. Because what you got going on here, nobody, not even your worst enemy, gonna trade places with you. So you gotta take out whatever the repercussions of what you've been doing, once they expose what you've been doing, you're gonna pay a lot of money to avoid it being exposed. But what you need to do is pray. The humiliation is what somebody's looking for and what you don't want. Once they see you go down, you're going to see a lot of frowns turn upside down. People going to be happy. People going to be sad. There's somebody coming for that spot. There's always somebody coming for the next man's spot, next girl, next woman's spot. But it's up to you to maintain it. A lot of times you are able to maintain it is with integrity. So if I was you, I'd check it before you wreck it. For real. Yeah. So whoever this resonates with, man, tighten up real fast, because your reason why the person has been given the strength to take this on is because you're going to be the victory in the end. You're going to be the justification for everything they went through on top of many other people. If I was you, I'd just fall back and do what's right, because there's somebody that's on your coattail. Yep, somebody's on your coattail. And by the time you get moved out, all they going to do is be pramped and pampered to take your spot. That's it. Man. And you didn't even see that happening. Moved them right in on you. Anyway, I'm gone. Bye.